Welcome to Mini Orange. In this video, we will show you how to configure single sign-on in Joomla with Salesforce as the identity provider. First, download and install the Mini Orange SAML SB extension from the Joomla extensions directory. Now go to your Joomla dashboard. Here, click on Components and then Mini Orange SAML Single Sign-On. Then, click on the Service Provider Metadata tab. Now, go to the Manual Info tab and copy the entity ID and the ACS URL. Then go to your Salesforce dashboard. In the Salesforce dashboard, click on the Settings icon and then click on Setup. Here, click on the Apps dropdown and then App Manager. Now click on the New External Client App button. Here, fill in the required fields in the Basic Information section. Then click on the Web App dropdown and click on the Enable SAML box. Now scroll down and enter the entity ID and the ACS URL in the given fields. Then click on the Create button. Now click on the Edit button. Then, in the Available Profiles box, select the profiles you want to enable single sign-on for. After that, click on the Save button. Now click on the SAML Policies dropdown, then scroll down, and then click on the SAML Login Info dropdown. Here, copy the Metadata Discovery Endpoint URL. Now, go to the Service Provider Setup tab on our SAML extension dashboard. Here, click on the Add New IDP button. Paste the Metadata Discovery Endpoint URL in the Metadata URL field, and then click on the Fetch Metadata button. Finally, click on the Test button. You will see a Test Successful window if the configuration was done correctly. We have successfully configured single sign-on in Joomla using Salesforce as the IDP. Now, you can add the SSO URL to your Joomla site to allow single sign-on for your users. Now let's add the SSO login button to your site. Click on the Edit button. Go to the Enter IDP Metadata Manually tab, and here click on the Enable Login with SAML toggle button. Then scroll down and click the Save button. Now go to your Joomla site. You will see the option to log in with your IDP we just added. Click the Login button. Enter your Salesforce credentials, and then click on the Login button. You have successfully logged into your Joomla site using Salesforce. Thank you for watching. To learn more about our Joomla products, please visit our website.